What's up, everybody? I just got done replacing the evaporator core housing on my 2004 Chevy Tahoe. Just want to make this video because this applies to you know, if you're doing that job, or if you replace the actuators, or if you're just having trouble, like your car's blowing out hot when you have it set to cold, or maybe the passenger's blowing out the opposite temperature as the driver's side, or vice versa. It's a common issue with these GM vehicles. I just wanted to put this video out there to see if it helps anybody out. So I just got done recalibrating mine, but I'm going to do it again for everybody else out there. So all you're going to do, since I recalibrated mine, I'm going to turn it off. So you start from scratch. Just press the auto button. Make sure it's on auto. You don't want to turn your vehicle off. You're going to want to remove this 10 amp fuse for your HVAC ECAS. It's above your rear windshield wiper. Like I said, it's a 10 amp. You're going to want to remove that for about 2 minutes, and I'll be right back. Alright, after you've let that sit for about a minute and a half, you want to pop it back in. And this may take a few tries on your vehicle. Don't get discouraged, but when you crank the vehicle up, it should set to 74, and you should see these move around. You're gonna hear it and feel it go through all the motions. It's blowing out the defrost now. But you want to let this go for about 2 minutes. Don't touch anything. Don't mess with the knobs. You'll throw it out of whack. But yeah, hope somebody gets some use out of this video.